a customer-focused approach to eProcurement. See what you can expect from us in our 8-point charter. Number 1. An implementation team. As soon as your project starts, you'll be assigned a project manager and a delivery team who are focused on a successful implementation of your solution. They will run workshops and meetings with your stakeholders to ensure your Web3 platform fits seamlessly into your organization. Number 2. A dedicated account manager. Unlike other providers, we have dedicated account managers who act as your Web3 champions. Our account managers handle less than 25 clients each, so you get a personal level of customer care, regular account reviews, and a chance to tell us what you want Web3 to do in the future. Number 3. Explainer webinars, guides, and videos. We know it's tough to get people to buy into new ways of doing things. So, we provide all kinds of content to help answer any questions your users or suppliers may have about Web3 implementation. Number 4. Customer-driven product development. Every customer request for system functionality is logged in our Web3 product development portal. The more popular the request, the quicker it's accelerated through our quarterly release program, giving you a direct influence on how your Web3 is shaped. Number 5. Free procurement health checks. After 12 months, you've got the option to take advantage of a free procurement health check. Based on a review of all your procurement practices and processes, our consultants will provide you with a free report, complete with helpful tips and advice for your procurement team. Number 6. Web3 user events and workshops. Our annual user group, Fusion, includes a Web3 product roadmap discussion and the opportunity for you to tell us what you'd like to see next in your system. We also hold smaller workshop events called Fission, which give you even more opportunities to discuss upcoming new Web3 features. Number 7. Our Best Practice Network. Our Best Practice Network, BPN, is a place where you can talk about everything procurement related, share ideas, and collaborate with your peers, as well as access helpful content such as user guides and blog posts. Number 8. Customer satisfaction surveys. To capture as many views as possible, we provide an annual customer satisfaction survey to all our day-to-day customer contacts. Once compiled, we share the results with all customers and update on our progress against all key topics our stakeholders have raised. To find out more about our customer-centric approach to eProcurement, contact us today.